y'all, it's so funny. Welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, I am so freaking excited to create this look because a bit brought some new products. Y'all ain't ready, so let's get right into the tutorial. Hey y'all, I bought some new BBFS product. Ooh girl, I am obsessed with her stuff. Y'all know that. So I bought the AQUA palette. It has 12 shades. Ouch. Ooh, I am living for these colors. I cannot wait to use this blue right here. So the exciting part is that I bought all 4 listing highlighters, which means LB will never run out of glow. My cheek will be popping all day and every day, honey. So get your shades on. I don't know, I might use all 4 on this look I'm about to create, so let's see what I ended up with. So the next product I bought is a new foundation and a new concealer from BAKERIE. I was inspired by my girl, guess who? Yes girl, you get it right, Liz by Jazz. I was like, no, I must have this, so I bought the concealer to go along with it. We're not going to use the concealer today because I have some special looks coming up. I bought it for a reason, so wait for it. So the next product I bought is a mascara. So I always wanted a new mascara. The one I have is kind of dry and chunky, but it still works though. Don't get me wrong, I still love my mascara. So I bought the L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara. Oh my god, I am so excited to use this again. Like, this works like magic. I don't know if you guys watched my last video. Wait, no, I don't think it's my last video. Like the video before my last video. This is the bomb, okay? So last one at least, I bought me a new lipstick and a new lip liner. Oh my god, I am so excited to use those from... Let me tell y'all. Ooh, look at the package, you guys. I bought this lipstick and the lip liner from Glamorous Goddess by Sabrina. And this is in a shade nude. Let me show y'all. I am so like a pink nude. Ooh, look at this, y'all. Oh, I'm so freaking excited. The lip liner is the same color as this. I already did my brows off camera, so let's move it on to the eye. Okay y'all, so I saw someone pass by my window and I am the only one in here, so I had to check. Okay, y'all already know that I love color correcting my eyelid before I apply any eyeshadow. So I am using the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation plus concealer in color caramel. Just apply this on here, blend it. I am blending this so freaking good, okay? This is the only eyeshadow palette I'm gonna use for this look. I am so freaking excited. Let me pick up a brush and I don't know which one to go with. You know what? I haven't done like a green look. Let's go. Well, I did. Like, it was like a long time ago. Let's go with the green color. Ooh, girl, I am so excited. Ooh. Yes. Period. This is so freaking good. Like, look at this green, y'all. Can y'all see this? Ooh. This looks so smooth. So the next color I'm gonna go in with is the orange color right here. Oh my god. Okay. When I say I am leaving for Juvia's Place stuff, like, yes, period. So the next shade I'm gonna go in is the yellow right here. The next shade I'm gonna go in is the shimmer red right here, and I'm gonna place it. Look at that, like, Juvia, like, what? You know what? I want it to shine, so I'm gonna spray my brush and apply the product. This looks so good. So the next shade I'm gonna go in is the shimmer gold right here. Oh no, no. Ooh, this blends so freaking good, y'all. Like, y'all see this? I don't even wet this brush to apply this shimmer gold. Like, this is the bomb. I'm gonna go in with my Palladio eyeliner and draw a long, fat wing. So now I'm gonna use my L'Oreal Voluminous mascara on my lashes. I'm gonna put on these beautiful lashes. I feel like wearing medium, this medium size. Bye. I'm done with my eyes, so let's move on to the face. So I'm gonna go in with this Beauty Bakery foundation in number 315. Oh y'all, when I tell you I am excited to use these. Y'all, look at this. I bought this foundation for a purpose. I'm not gonna tell y'all till I do it, so stay tuned. Subscribe if you haven't. Click the notification bell to get notified when I upload a new video. Oh, girl, I am so hyped right now. I am into glossy looks. I don't know if it's the weather or my skin. Like right now, I give matte foundations a break till I miss them. Oh, girl, do you see how this foundation glowing? Oh my God, I love it. I love it. I love it. It looks oily, but it's not. It's not matte either. I would say it's in between. It feels light and normal. Like you can feel nothing on your face. This is amazing, you guys. I love this foundation. Concealer. So now I'm gonna go in with this Juvia's Place concealer in number 15 to highlight underneath my eye and my forehead, my chin, and the bridge of my nose. If you see me dancing or my lips are moving, just know that I was feeling myself, having fun doing my makeup. I had a good time, y'all. If y'all follow me on Instagram or Snapchat, you always see this look and the type of music I was listening to. So if you haven't followed me yet, go ahead, feel free to keep up with me. I was listening to all kind of songs, gospel, rap, Haitian compa, and love song, you name it, girl. I know the concealer is a bit too lighter than my skin tones. I have used it before with others, but today I don't know what's going on. I am using it alone, so it's going to be normal. Don't worry. When you're using a lighter concealer, make sure you don't move the concealer. Stay under your eyes or the area you want it to highlight. Before my under eye is starting to crease, I am going to set it up with powders. Yeah, I already know this is my favorite Juvia's Place setting powder called Kalahari. I'm going to set where I just concealed. Moving along, I am contouring with Juvia's Place Congo Stick Foundation. When contouring with a brush, make sure you blend it in a circular motion and move it slowly towards your cheekbones like you are lifting your cheeks up. Never drag the brush. And same for your forehead. Circular motion and bring it down. Like if you have a long or large forehead, you will hide some part of it, like you are shaping your own face. For your nose, just blend it up. Right now, I am taking out any excess powder and blend it down here to cut my contour so I can have a clean, straight contour cut. I mean, it's not necessary to do, but I love seeing it on my face and other people's face. Okay, y'all, here's where the magic going to happen. I am taking this Rimmel Stay Matte Finishing Powder and kind of sweeping it between where I highlighted and contoured to have that natural highlighted and contour look. From the same palette, I'm taking the blue color. I bought the palette just for the blue shades. I had to find a reason to use it. If not, then I will have to recreate another look the same day using the blue. I am taking the orange to blend it. I was not expecting it to turn out this color, but oh well, it's still cute. I like it. I am going in with my L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara on my bottom lashes. For blush, I am using Juvia's Place Disarray 2 eyeshadow palette and take the orange shade. I love this color on my cheek, y'all. This is my go-to blush. I don't care if it's an eyeshadow. Oh well, it's going right on my cheeks, honey. Period. I am going in with the Glamorous Goddess lip liner and line my lips and go in with the lipstick. I wasn't feeling the lip color on my lips. I think it's too bright, but I figured, I guess I put too much on. You know, it's makeup. We're learning from our mistakes. I love this lipstick. There is no way I'll wipe it out, so I have to make it work. I am taking this flat brush to blend it in. And there we have it. It looks so much better. I love it, you guys. Oh, finally, I choose the Nubian highlighters by Juvia's Place to highlight, popping up them cheekbones, period, poo. I'm going to use this Black Radiance setting spray and we are done. I love it, you guys. I receive a lot of compliments. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I really hope you guys love and enjoy this tutorial. If you do, don't forget to leave me a big thumbs up and subscribe. Share this video with somebody. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching.